Oh,
Hey, it's Randy at Mountain Air Farms. All right, we had a question that was emailed to us on the wood miser. He just got his, and it was a little bit different than ours. But we'll show him like the watering system and the throttle. He's wanting to know about the throttle system. He can't get his to work right.
right. He had a few little issues.
Yeah.
I hope he enjoys the wood miser as good as we do.
Yeah.
So.
But here's our watering system. I noticed his was mounted up underneath here, so I'm not sure about. He was talking about it getting vapor locked or whatever.
Well, it was getting pinched. The line was getting pinched.
Yeah, I'm not sure on that how that works. But.
And I don't know if we've had ours a year and a half, so they may have made a
They probably
made a change or
they
two.
made a change in it. But
and he had problems with his throttle. Now,
which is right back here.
Okay.
This is what ours looks like. I don't know exactly what his looks like. That could be a little straighter. I noticed that because that comes out of there kind of at an angle.
Right. So that may be something. Well, it looks like you can adjust that
Oh, you
too.
can.
Okay.
On the throttle you can adjust.
And then another thing Randy did this drip system.
I just went ahead and put another shut-off valve.
Right. We've had a lot of people talk about that they can't get it to drip right or, have problems with that.
Right. This way you can set your flow on this one, then you just turn this one wide open each time you want to use it.
Right. So this adjusts the flow, which goes out, but you can keep this open all the time.
No, you still got to turn it on when you're cutting.
Yeah, when you're cutting. Yeah. But this is one that once you have your flow adjusted to the right drip, you don't have to adjust it no more. It's just the point of turning the water on and off.
Well, that every time I start on it, it's like you got to adjust it. You get too much or not enough, and it's just that way it's set, and you can just turn that one on wide open. It goes
right. And it's winter time. It's 1st of February. You're using water and pine sol and a little bit of.
Yeah, I just drain my water if it's gonna get real cold. I mean, you can use windshield washer fluid, but if it's that cold out here, I'm not sure I'm going to be working out here.
Right. So
if it's cold enough to be freezing up stuff, it's too cold to be working on the mill.
And no more than what you're losing in water. It's no big deal.
Right.
Right. Gallon or so.
Yeah. But which I don't lose it. I just drain it back into the jug. And
right.
Okay. He was asking about the blades. I do not put oil on the blade. It'd probably be good to put them in the dry after you get done. But these has already been sharpened 2 or 3 times, so they're probably, I don't know how many times they can sharpen them. Each time you send them, they send them back, and several's got stress cracks in them and stuff, and then they don't sharpen them, and you end up with less each time.
Right.
But it costs so much to get them resharpened, it's almost easier to just buy new blades.
Right.
And just go with the new blades instead of sending them back and getting them resharpened. By the time you pay the shipping and the resharpening fee, you're almost at the new blade.
At the new blade, yeah.
So
it's maybe $20 difference on a pack of 15.
Yeah. I'd like to get a sharpener, but a sharpener costs twice as much as my mill. A blade sharpener. So it's like,
And it's, unless you sharpened a whole lot, it really wouldn't pay.
I don't have time to sharpen for other people. So.
Now we've got Alex here. Y'all have seen Alex several times. Alex works on a lot of the jobs. Now this is his first time he's on the mill. So Alex is going to be,
So hopefully he'll keep all his arms and legs and fingers.
10 fingers to start.
10 fingers, 10 toes.
Hopefully I'll have them at the end.
Yeah. And, this is going to be a little bit for him to learn it. So that way, hopefully.
Never hurts to learn new things.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, that and, while one's doing one thing, another one could be doing another thing and gets the work done quicker. Yeah. Now, Mr. Say, what are you doing?
I'm just cutting up some stuff for a little chicken coop. I've got it's just a little 4x5 chicken coop for this. We need to deliver it this weekend sometime.
Right.
I figured that'd give us something to do tomorrow. Watch raining all day, because all it does is rain anymore. It's rainy and wet and yucky. But,
Right.
we can do that tomorrow. Watch raining. But and also we're gonna cut some more on that rafter package for the carport.
Okay.
Post and beam carport.
I don't think we've said anything about the carport. We've got a gentleman up in, is it
No,
Walland or Maryville?
Marable.
Maryville.
It's a 20 by 20 carport.
Carport.
He's got his concrete pad there, but we're gonna set poles on the outside of the concrete pad and put the carport over it.
Right.
So,
And weather pending, we're hoping to set them what?
I was hoping to do it this Friday, but it's probably going to be Monday.
Monday.
because Friday and Saturday, we've got to get the roof on that barn. I was hoping to have the roof on the barn done by now, but weather.
Well, this weather is terrible.
But we'll get to it. We'll work on it Friday and Saturday.
Well,
All right. Well, I'm going to get to canting this.
yeah, I'm gonna let you cant. We're gonna stand here and watch for a little bit. Got to have the supervisor watching here for a little bit. That way I could say I was there.
Staff in order.
Yeah.
Pull on over that way.
Now, turn it this way. That way I'll come in with my grapple and grab it. No, this way. There you go. That one had a man bow to it.
Now, Randy, do you need to be explaining to Alex what you're doing? Okay.
Pick it up by what?
All right, well, I'm just saying. So you got to get below this bow right here?
Huh?
That's where the bow is? thing up there.
I'm on.
Yeah, because those things eat blades. Yeah, those metal brackets over there eats blades big time.
Not if you're gonna hit it, when you're gonna hit it.
Yeah.
We've done it twice. So the blade wants it. Right? So the blade wants it. Oh yeah.
Now show Alex what you're looking at. So explain that.
Well, I'm thinking the two before, they're not two before, they're going to be inch and a half by about 3 inches. For a chicken coop, but it's a little chicken coop, you don't want to take that much away. So I was looking up here and saying, 6/4, 6/4, that's an inch and a half. So, that way I can cut this to an inch and a half and I can go down there and rip them down to what size I need.
All right. After you get it a cant, you need to let